Does it make us look old? Does it make us look frumpy? Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. As you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to talk about how to not look older. This topic does cause people to get upset or to have other strong opinions, which is fine. Please feel free to share your own comments in the comment section below the video. I'm thinking about this topic more often since I'm just a few months away from turning 65, which is considered the age of a senior citizen. Now, some places consider a senior to be 50 or 55 or 60 or even 62, but by 65, we're called senior citizens by everyone. I've made the mistakes I'm going to share with you today myself. Going through this exercise to prepare for the video definitely got me thinking about what's in my closet. Please remember, this is just my opinion and I'm making suggestions. We'll have some fun with this topic. And if you're content with your clothes and how you wear them, then don't change anything. I have 8 tips for you in this video. In addition to pointing out which fashion choices can make us look older and frumpy, I also have suggestions for better options that make us look elegant, stylish, and younger. These pieces will be listed and linked in the description box and in the first comment below the video. Tap below to open either of those, and everything will be there for you to check out. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1. Stop allowing bat wings to show on your arms. What I'm saying is, if you're wearing sleeveless tops and blouses when your upper arms have those bat wings, or any style of top that allows the bat wings to be seen, that will make you look older. It's just not a good look and can wither your confidence. So to look more stylish, I have a few suggestions. First, wear short sleeve tops that have sleeves that go to the elbows. Now, these tops will cover your entire upper arm right down to the elbow. Or, my second option is wear 3/4 length sleeve tops. Now, as long as the cut of the sleeves doesn't look silly, I have 2 examples where the cuff part of the 3/4 sleeves don't end well. It's not an attractive look, but other options are, for example, knit fabric tops in a 3/4 length sleeve, which can look better, or wear a long sleeved button-down shirt and roll up the sleeves to the elbow or almost to the elbow, as I've done with this shirt. Now, in fact, a button-down shirt or blouse can look elegant, stylish, and younger. Now, as a last option, make upper arm exercises a regular part of your weekly schedule, like 3 times a week. I have a video that will help you get started so that you can get your upper arms in shape. Tip number 2, stop wearing capri pants that cut off at the widest part of your calf. I hesitate to touch your capri pants. I know they're cooler than full-length slacks in the summer, and they give you more coverage than shorts. My mother lived in capri pants all summer when she was in her 80s. Just saying, in her 80s. I still have a couple pair in denim that I wear to do housework or yard work. They make me look frumpy, so I don't wear them in public. Instead, wear full-length pants and slacks. In the summer, linen is great because it's cooler. There are many linen options available now that are attractive and don't make you look older. Tip number 3, stop wearing shorts that don't look attractive from the back. In warmer weather, wearing shorts that aren't attractive, especially from the back, can make you look frumpy. Here are some photos of me or video clips of me wearing shorts. I don't wear shorts well. Even the cargo shorts get a bit frumpy looking. I suggest keeping the shorts to wear around the house for yard work or housework, but not to wear in public. Instead, consider wearing Skorts. Now, Skorts are a combination of a skirt and shorts, and they give you the comfort of shorts and the nicer look of a skirt. They come in a variety of lengths. I tend to prefer the solid colors and neutrals because I can wear more of my tops with those neutral colors. But I do have a few prints, including, I think, 3 Lily Pulitzer Skorts and a couple others in prints and colors. I might do another video soon about Skorts in order to find more options for you, but I have several linked in the description box and in the first comment. Skorts look good on many body types, and they're definitely cuter than shorts. Tip number 4, stop wearing cold shoulder tops. Back when these first came out, I bought one. It's really cute from White House Black Market. It's just no longer in style. So we don't see women in their 20s, 30s, or 40s wearing cold shoulder tops now, which tells us they're not in fashion. So wearing a cold shoulder top now can give us an older, outdated look. What is in style now? Off-shoulder tops are in. So if you can pull it off, look for tops that can either be like one shoulder off or completely off shoulder. Many will have an elasticized neckline that you can stretch to get the top in place. It's a more current look. Tip number 5, stop wearing ill-fitting jeans. Jeans that don't fit you well can make you look older and out of fashion. So many styles of jeans don't fit me well because I have a flatter bum, and some jeans just don't look attractive on me. If you have a daughter, a sister, or a friend who knows fashion, ask for her opinion about your jeans. Actually, put them on and model them for her and show her the backside. If I find a pair of jeans that fit me well, they usually fit everyone well. I found this pair that fit quite well. They have a flare-style bootcut leg, and the reviews of these jeans show that women with many different body types love these jeans. If you click its link that I provided for you, you'll see that. If you get yourself a pair of well-fitted jeans, they'll look good, even if you don't cover up the backside with a long jacket or top. You won't need to cover them up. And you'll look 100% better with good-fitting jeans than you will with jeans that are ill-fitting. Tip number 6, stop wearing printed slacks and pants. Now, in the 90s, Talbot sold a lot of slacks and jeans cut pants that were full of prints, from bigger geometric, floral, or paisley prints to small prints like little palm trees and birds. Now these prints and pants can just look old on us. Go for solid color pants and slacks, even with more neutrals: tans, khakis, black, white, navy, and charcoal. More of your colorful tops will coordinate well with neutral color slacks. It will give you a more stylish look. Tip number 7, stop wearing big floral prints. Now, a moment ago, I mentioned wearing colorful tops with neutral color slacks. So when I said that, I didn't mean to wear huge floral prints in your tops. The big floral prints will make us look frumpy and out of date. Small prints are in now, and solids, of course, are in. And each season, just check out what's new in the stores. Pay attention to what women in their, say, mid-30s and into their 40s are wearing in terms of color and prints, and purchase a couple pieces. Tip number 8, stop wearing baggy clothes that do nothing positive for your figure. Muumuu-style dresses and tops aren't a good look on anyone. These are baggy-looking clothes that actually make you look heavier than you actually are. I know women wear these to cover up extra weight, but it's a reaction to an issue instead of dressing to accentuate your best features. Instead, look for pieces that fit well, go together well, and aren't just comfortable, but the clothes feel good on you when you wear them, and they're stylish. Those were my 8 tips and suggestions for looking more stylish and less old and frumpy as we get into our 50s, or in my case, into my mid-60s and senior citizenship. Make sure to check out the description box and the first comment for links to pieces I think you'll like. Then join me for another video by tapping one of the images on the right side of the screen, and I'll see you in the next video.